This one I'm excited about because it combines two of my husband's favorite things. It was my surprise to you. Hi friends, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. On today's episode, we are going to be pulling out and dusting off, because we haven't used this in a long time, our waffle maker and making some interesting foods inside of here. So we got some cinnamon rolls in a can and I wanna pop them in here.
So then you just crack it over your knuckle.
Ouch. Didn't work. Still not working.
There it goes.
There we go. Our waffle iron is hot and
whoa.
Ooh, I don't know
burning
why.
up my cameras.
You think we need to spray it? What
Yeah.
do you think?
Give it a little spray. There it is. Squish it down. Lock it.
But we gotta plug it in.
You don't even have it on. Oh boy.
Hold on.
Here I thought this thing was cooking.
It's on and it says ready.
Ready. So you flip it upside down. It still says ready.
2 to 3 minutes. I don't want it
That
dark.
actually looks pretty good, huh?
Yep. Let's pull it up.
So
Plate it up. Wow. Who knew? Cinnamon roll waffle.
just remember, this thing is hot. All right, let's set this one aside. Unplug it.
Time to drizzle on this yummy glaze.
So you might have to heat this in the microwave, which is what we did. Then you get a nice drizzle.
It's time to eat our yummy creation.
Sorry you guys have to watch this.
Definitely an easy way to cook some cinnamon rolls. Very tasty. Tastes just like a cinnamon roll. I mean,
Yeah, you can make this for my breakfast anytime.
All right, you ready for the next recipe?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. For this one, we are making tater tot hash browns. It's really simple. It's just a bag of tater tots that we've thawed out in the fridge overnight. And then we're just gonna put them in here.
Yeah, I guess probably want to get them pretty close to each other.
Right.
Squish them down. If it's not sizzling, you're not doing it right.
Wow, it seems like it's taking a lot of muscle. Okay.
That's my left hand, that's why I was struggling. All right, it's been a few minutes. I want to take a peek.
Ooh.
Interesting. Should have put a few more in, I think. Let's leave it like another minute. I mean, I guess you could leave them in a little longer, but they're good enough for us.
It's like that game that you play where there's the teddy bears inside of the machine and you're trying to grab at it. And it's not working. Let's see if it is tasty.
Probably could have cooked it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
I mean, there's definitely the crunch, but I like my tots really crunchy. I don't know about you guys.
But otherwise, I think it's really good and obviously another easy way to cook up some quick breakfast.
Let's try some more recipes.
So now we're gonna make some tasty grilled cinnamon apples. So I need you to cut this up into thin slices. It's okay if the middle is still left in there.
Got these apples sliced up and ready for the machine.
While Joe's setting that up, I am going to put some cinnamon and sugar on top.
I'm gonna give this a little spray.
Let's pop these apples inside of our waffle maker.
All right, we got them in there. This thing is heating up.
Whoa, is it gonna close?
It's gonna close. It's called a waffle maker.
Oh man, I don't know. Don't want to break it. I guess it worked out.
All right,
So
set it and forget it.
Set that aside. We're gonna cut up some of the strawberries for the toppings. I found this cool trick online where you can actually put the straw through the strawberry and it takes the top right off for you. So let's check it out. A little bit more. Boom! It's gone.
It's gone. I only got half of it.
And then you got this.
And you can slurp that up with your straw.
All right, so you want to do the rest of them.
It's not burning, but there's smoke filling the room.
Should we take it off? Wow,
Maybe,
okay. Yeah, let's take it off.
Maybe cook this one on the low setting. That's called burnt sugar.
All I wanted to do was just grill up some apples, and next thing you know, all this happened. Smoke everywhere.
All right, we'll let that cool down. We'll have to get a scraper out.
So we're gonna put some Greek yogurt and sprinkle strawberries and blueberries on top.
We'll do a dollop. Take your fruit, get a couple in the dollop.
You don't have to use all those blueberries.
Get a couple on the apples.
If you want to.
Scatter a few, and then we do a couple strawberries. A couple in the fruit.
Time to taste. So I would say it was pretty good. I would be a little lighter handed with the sugar because I think I was really heavy handed, and then that's why it burnt up my waffle iron here. But in general, I think for apples, it's probably better you just bake them because it's less mess. It's a lot easier, I would think.
Yeah, this one I probably wouldn't do again.
But there's still time for some trivia and games, so let's get this cleaned up so that we can get started. Time for apple trivia. How old can an apple tree be and still bear fruit? Is it A, 30 years, B, 100 years, or C, 200 years?
I'm going to go with 200 years.
And you are correct. All right, time for our game.
So we're gonna play a game. What you need is 2 different colored solo cups. When we say go, we're gonna do flip cup.
Tic-tac-toe.
Tic-tac-toe.
Get set, go!
Somebody's been practicing. Were you doing it right?
No, I was doing it the right way.
Oh boy. Finally. Wow.
Blocked me.
It's gonna be gotta do that.
Boom! And that's how you win tic-tac-toe.
So I don't know what happened there, but we're gonna switch cups this time and see if it makes a difference. On your marks, get set, go. And that's why you take the middle. Ha!
Wow.
Tic-tac-toe.
All right.
Same thing happened. Now we gotta play a cat or tiebreaker.
Okay, go!
Alright, so it's clear that the green ones stink. You gotta get the regular cups.
Ooh, that feels good.
Those green ones really stink.
So we got our waffle iron all cleaned up for this last recipe. This one I'm excited about because it combines 2 of my husband's favorite things. It was my surprise to you. Donuts and cheese.
I do like those things, but I'm also on a diet right now. I got like 2 days to lose like 4 pounds yet.
Well,
So
you probably can have like a tiny piece. For this one, I actually saw a recipe for grilled cheese sandwiches, but wanted to do it a little differently. Apparently at Disney World, they opened a new donut shop called Everglazed, and there they serve these donut grilled cheese sandwiches. So we're gonna replicate that in our waffle iron. It's probably not gonna look exactly like theirs because we're gonna have those little marks in there, but I think it's a cool experiment, so let's do it.
Right.
So you're gonna cut this in half.
1 glazed donut.
And then put the 2 slices of cheese in between. Close it up, all right? Put your donut in there.
Pop.
Seal it up. Not sure what it's gonna look like when we pull it out. Is it coming out of there or not?
I think we need to call the fire department. Alright.
I think you got some. Oh, don't break it. Do you need like another tool?
We'll have to let this one sit a minute.
It's time to cut into this guy. So I want you guys to see some of the cheese inside.
Didn't quite taste like I thought. It's definitely interesting, but I think the donut lost a lot of sweetness. I think the sugar boiled off and ran into the frying pan. Yeah, I think I could put some syrup on it or something to get the sweetness back. Since it's like a waffle anyway.
A donut grilled cheese waffle. There we go, guys. Just need a little bit of syrup and then we would have had a winner.
Should we try it?
Yeah. Time to drizzle a little syrup on there. With syrup from 1 to 10, I would give it about an 8.
I'd give it a 7.
All right, two of your favorite things and still not a winner.
No.
Well, it's the end. We did all the recipes on this episode and there were some that I really, really liked and some that were okay, but I don't think there was anything that was really bad. Links to the recipes, they're all below.
Subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so you know when our next episodes launch. See you next time.
See ya. You're being awkward. Spoiler alert, there's not tea in this cup.
They already know that.
There's water. Because
cold
we
water.
Are thirsty people.
Don't want to get dehydrated.
When you have all that sugar, you crave.
More sugar.
No. You have all that sugar, all you want to do is just drink water.
All I want to do is take a nap.
That too. All right. Bye, guys.